Guys, we are making what?
I forgot what's the name.
Basbusa!
And I'm sprinkling it
Yes.
with pistachio.
With pistachio. It's so yummy sweet.
Wash your hand.
It's already wash your hand.
Hmm?
Make like this, eh?
Nah,
Make little more.
Okay, see for me. I will put.
Yes. See. Quickly.
Oh my god.
And the toppings only in the slice what I keep.
What's
Put.
nice?
Yeah. Slice. Top.
She came again.
She don't know where she. Yeah, so yeah, make more. Let's see the
I'm not
decoration.
done.
How is it?
I think that will be yummy. Because I eat this part.
I will bring it there because
I will, Madam
it's
said.
hot.
No problem, I'll cut it with the handy thingy.
Don't forget to watch. What? Don't forget to watch.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more awesome videos. Just subscribe and hit the notification bells. And don't forget to like, share, and thank you.
Thank you.
You'll be part of our family though if you subscribe. Well, still you're a part of our family if you did not subscribe.